Hi there, students. To crumble, a verb to crumble. A crumb as a countable noun. And I guess crummy as well as an adjective, although I probably think that doesn't have a B. So, a piece of bread. To crumble. You see all these little bits falling down. Well, you probably can't see them. Yeah, but these are breadcrumbs. Yeah, little tiny pieces of bread. These are crumbs. Yeah, you can use breadcrumbs if you dip something in beaten egg and then put breadcrumbs and fry it. It's very delicious. So a crumb, a small fragment, particularly of bread. So we went to the park and we gave breadcrumbs to the ducks. We gave crumbs to the ducks. So to crumble, to break into small pieces, to break up into crumbs. Yeah, so to cause something to break up. I crumbled the bread between my fingers. Yeah, the bread was very crumbly. Yeah, it broke into pieces very easily. Um, so we can also use this to crumble more metaphorically, to say that something is breaking, is falling to pieces. So, I don't know, his resolve crumbled, his determination crumbled. The empire crumbled, the empire fell to pieces. Yeah, it just broke. Okay, so it crumbled, it crumbled and formed, it disintegrated, if you like. It broke into little pieces. Um, the castle crumbled into ruin. Yeah, or his resolve crumbled under pressure. So to give way, to collapse, to disintegrate, to break. Yeah. Now, crumbs. You can even use the word crumbs. It's a bit old-fashioned as a British exclamation, as in wow. Crumbs. Have you seen what time it is? It's a bit old-fashioned, but you could use it, I guess. It sounds rather posh and rather old-fashioned. Um, okay, so crumbs. You could give somebody crumbs of information, yeah, or the crumbs left over from something important. Um, so the mice ate the crumbs that fell from the table. But a crumb as well, a small bit. If I hope it will be a crumb of comfort to you to know that the situation is getting better. Yeah, so it comes from this idea to crumble, to break to pieces. Okay, so a crumb. Yeah, a biscuit crumb, a cake crumb, a fragment. Yeah, a tiny little piece. And then you could have this more figuratively, a crumb of information, a small amount. Yeah, a crumb of comfort. Um, and then we've got this word to crumble, meaning to break into small pieces or to collapse totally. Um, After 10 minutes, their defense crumbled completely. It broke down completely. It collapsed. Okay? The cliff crumbled. The sea hit the cliff and it just crumbled into crumbs and fell downwards. So something that crumbles into very fine debris, very small pieces into small crumbs. Yeah, and then crumbs. This exclamation, crumbs. That was a difficult moment for us. Yeah, crumbs. How much did we spend? It's pretty old-fashioned though. And then to crumble, to fall apart into small fragments, yeah, to deteriorate. Um, you could also actually have a crumble to eat. This is it's like a crumble is where there's a mixture of flour and fat, that it has the texture of breadcrumbs, and you put it over the top of fruit. So a rhubarb crumble could be rather delicious. So, formality. A crumb of comfort, 5 in formality, use anywhere. That exclamation crumbs, I think 3.5 in formality. To crumble, to break, again 5 in formality, use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, this um, comes from Proto-Germanic krumo, meaning a crumb or a fragment, from Proto-Indo-European grumo, something that you scrape together. So I guess that's your crumb. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Crumb, crumble, crumb.